Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable flash notification in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to accessibility. After that go to advanced settings. Now from here go to flash notification. And that's it. Here you can see two kinds of flash notification. One is camera flash notification and another is screen flash notification. And you can enable both options from here. At first, if I enable camera flash notification and then tap on preview, you can see the camera flash is flashing. On the other hand, if I enable screen flash notification and then tap on preview, you can see the screen is flashing. If you want to customize your screen flash notification, just tap here. And from here you can change your flash color. If I select it, and then tap on preview, and you can see it's changed successfully. Just tap on done. And that is how you can enable flash notification in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.